Welcome to Growing with Gateway. Today I'm going to show you how to grow a selection of herbs. So for planting your herbs, what you need is a number of containers. So these are all sorts of desserts, cream, coleslaw, compost as usual, water, our seeds and our labels. Okay, we're going to fill the pots with compost. So make sure you've got holes in the bottom of your containers to let the water drain out. So we'll fill that up with compost. We don't fill them right to the top because we're going to put more compost on them. Right, there we go. I'm going to start with chives. Now, chives is part of related to the onion, and we're going to do lots of these because the great thing about chives is you can cut some of it off and it'll grow again. Grow it on the windowsill or outside, and it's great for going in salad or in omelettes. We'll label that. We'll cover that one later. The next one that we're going to do, I'm going to do it in a bigger pot actually, is basil. So basil is great again for salads, to go in your salads, but it's what's used to make pesto. Goes really well with tomatoes. Traditionally you would put a few of these at the bottom of the pot that you grow your tomatoes in. So that's basil. Right, this is oregano. And this is one, tiny seeds. So you would use this just with any dishes. Casseroles, goes with most meats. Smells beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, I'll label that one. The next one is coriander. So this again, another one that can go in salads. It's got really big seeds. But it's what you would also put in your soup, with your carrot soup, to get carrot and coriander soup. And then I'm going to do thyme. So thyme is another one that you would put with meat, to flavour meat. Also, it's great to go along the side of a path, because when you brush against it, it releases the smell of the thyme. So, but all of these can be grown on your windowsill. I'll label that thyme. So you'll end up with a very fragrant kitchen, if that's where your sunny windowsill is. So we'll just put them over. And compost. Another reason that you don't fill your pots to the top is so that when you water them, the water doesn't just flow off and down the side of your pot. Sometimes taking the seeds with it if you do that. And then we give everything a water. Okay, so we just put each of these herbs on the windowsill, a sunny windowsill where they will hopefully grow, and you will have plenty of herbs to add to your cooking. We'd really love you to get involved with Growing with Gateway, and you can find our videos on our website www
thegatewaycollective.co.uk. We'd also love to see what you're growing, and you can do this by sharing on social media using the following hashtags. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you grow.